This entire shot was created in under 2 minutes. You don't need a drone, a photographer coming back at golden hour, or an extra shoot. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to get this result inside VideoTour.AI, and we're going to go through 3 different presets so you can see exactly what's possible. Let's go. AI Transitions is a feature inside VideoTour.AI that takes a single still photo from your listing and turns it into a short cinematic clip. You're not editing anything manually or touching any video software. You pick a preset, the AI generates the clip, and it drops straight into your video tour. Alright, step 1 is to click on Create New Tour. Once you're on this page, you can drag in the image that you want to animate. Once you've dropped it in, scroll all the way down to where it says Generate My Video Tour and click that. Wait a few seconds, and once it's generated, you'll see a page that looks like this. For the sake of this video, I've uploaded the same image 3 times to demonstrate the 3 different animations that we're going to cover. In a real listing, you'd obviously just have the one. To access AI transitions, hover over any photo in the editor. You'll see a set of options appear, and one of them is AI transitions. Click that, and a pop-up opens with the full list of presets. There are 15 in total. Today, we're going to walk through the 3 that are going to make the biggest difference to how your listings look: Day to Night, Sky Drop, and 3D Text. Day to Night is probably the most immediately useful preset in the list. Select it on your front exterior photo and hit Generate AI Transition. You'll see a loading animation on the clip card while the AI works in the background. It usually takes a couple of minutes, so I'll cut the wait. Here's what comes back. The photo starts at full daylight, and as the clip plays, the sky gradually darkens, the interior lights inside the house switch on, and by the end you've got a twilight shot with lit-up windows. A professional twilight shoot costs anywhere from $200 to $400, and the photographer has to come back at exactly the right time of day. This gets you the same result in about 2 minutes from a photo you already had. Alright, let's move on to the next animation. This one is the Sky Drop. It doesn't change the time of day or the weather. What it does is generate a camera move where the shot drops in from above and lands on the front of the property, like the opening of a movie. Select Sky Drop, hit Generate, and let it run. When it comes back, you've got a cinematic intro shot. If you drop this at the very beginning of your video tour, the whole thing opens with that kind of energy before a single interior photo even appears. There's also a helicopter reveal preset in the same list that does a similar pullback from above, which is worth trying on luxury or waterfront listings. For the third animation, hover over the photo again, and this time select 3D Text. Once you click on it, you'll get a text field where you can type whatever you want. For this example, I'm going to type just listed. Right below that, you've got 3D text styles, and there are 17 different styles to choose from. Just hover through them and pick whichever one fits the look you're going for. Below that is the AI animation style, which controls how the text moves on screen. There are 11 options in there, so again, just pick one that feels right. Then you select your format, vertical, horizontal, or square, depending on where you're posting this. Once that's all set, click Generate 3D Text Animation and let it run. When it comes back, the text is baked directly into the scene as a 3-dimensional title that looks like it's part of the footage rather than something layered on top afterward. So there you have it, 3 completely different looks, all from the same single photo. Day to Night on the left, Sky Drop in the middle, and the 3D text version on the right. 1 exterior shot, 3 cinematic clips, and the whole thing took about 5 minutes. If you want to try it yourself, your first video is free at VideoTour.AI, and the link is in the description.